Hello everybody and welcome to Distributed Systems. I'm your course coordinator Claudia Sabo, and what I'm going to do for every week while DS lasts for this semester is I'm going to record a short video that will talk to you about whatever it is that is happening during that week's lecture. Now, this being the first lecture of Distributed Systems, I will try to give you an overview of the course and also talk a bit about some of the issues that we'll be discussing. Now, towards this, we're going to basically look at the 3 A's that you need to know for distributed systems. The first one is what DS is all about. Now, of course, as the name suggests, DS is about distributed systems, but it's also about the trade-offs involved in the design of such systems. So we're going to look at how to make distributed systems fault tolerant and what do we need to pay, or what cost do we need to incur in order for that thing to happen. We'll see how we can make distributed systems scalable, how we're going to make them not to appear so slow, and we're going to see how distributed systems, with respect to distributed computer systems, how they deal with important issues such as heterogeneity, so dealing with a large number of, hardware or clients and so on, but also how and why we should keep a distributed system open. Now, the second A that I have about distributed system is that it is awesome. The reason why it is awesome is because distributed systems are everywhere. And the things that you're going to learn about in this course, all the design tips and all the systems that you're going to analyze and all the trade-offs that you will identify, you can apply them in mostly every system that you see nowadays, and mostly, I bet, in any system that you are going to design and build. So we're also going to look at real-life systems. So we're going to see what makes Google tick. We even have a guest lecture from the chief engineer of Google Australia. We're going to see what makes Amazon Cloud so fantastically powerful. We're going to see how Skype works, or how it used to work before Microsoft bought it. We're going to see how Facebook deals with data replication, how BitTorrent works, and many, many other things. We're also going to have a look at how we're going to design distributed protocols. So we're looking at things, how we're going to make sure, for example, that all the entities in a distributed system agree, and so on. Now, my last A for this short video is awareness. So you do need to be aware that distributed systems does have a number of prerequisites, and I'm going to talk about these prerequisites during the first lecture this week, and in particular what is important that you know from these prerequisites. The second thing that I want you to be aware of is the location of the lecture. So my first challenge for you guys for this week is to find out where the distributed systems lecture is, and I'll see you later during this week. I'll see you there. Awesome.